Arrange the following 4 major Grand Slam tennis tournaments in the chronological order as per the tennis calendar. The correct answer is B. That is, the first one is the Australian Open tennis tournament. Then the second one is the Roland Garros tennis tournament. Then the third one is the Wimbledon tennis tournament. And the fourth one is the United States Open tennis tournaments. FIFA was established in dash. The correct answer is B. That is France. So EA Sports began the FIFA series in 1993 and hoping to develop a hold on football in the same way that they dominated the market for American football gaming with Madden. Waka Cricket Stadium is located in dash. The correct answer is D. That is Australia. So the Waka is a sports stadium in Western Australia, and the stadium names derive from the initial of its owner and operator, the Western Australian Cricket Association. So full form of WACA is Western Australian Cricket Association. The Augusta Masters Trophy is related to which game or sport? The correct answer is B. That is golf. The term aerobics is associated with which of the following games or sports? The correct answer is B. That is gymnastics. So aerobic gymnastic is an athletic sport founded as a dance and fitness activity, and that today is recognized by the International Olympic Committee. Ian James Thorpe is associated with which game or sport? The correct answer is D. That is swimming. He is an Australian retired swimmer who specialized in freestyle, and he won 5 Olympic gold medals, the most won by any Australian, along with fellow swimmer Emma McKeon. Uppercut is associated with which sports? The correct answer is C. That is boxing. So the uppercut is a punch used in boxing that travels along a vertical line at the opponent's chin or solar plexus. International Kabaddi Federation was founded in which year? The correct answer is B. That is 2004. So the International Kabaddi Federation is the international governing body of Kabaddi, and its membership comprises 31 national associations. The federation was formed in 2004, and the founder of International Kabaddi Federation is Ashish Pachauri. Mohammedas is related to which sport? The correct answer is B. That is table tennis. So Mohammedas is an Indian table tennis player born and brought up in Kolkata, West Bengal, and she has represented India in international events since the early 2000s. Mohammedas has won multiple medals at the Commonwealth Games, including a gold in the women's team competition in 2018. Which of the following is not a cricket tournament? The correct answer is C. That is Indian Super League. So the Indian Super League is India's unrivaled football championship, which kicked off on October 12th, 2014. And the inaugural winner of the league were ATK FC, while Chennai FC were the winner of the second season. Which of the following sports person is not associated to hockey? The correct answer is A. That is Harmanpreet Kaur. So she is an Indian cricketer who served as the captain of the Indian team in T20s, and she played as an all-rounder for the Indian women's cricket team and was awarded the Arjuna Award for cricket in the year 2017 by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Which of the following awards is given to recognize players' lifetime achievement in sports? The correct answer is B, that is Dhyan Chand Award. So, the Dhyan Chand Award, officially known as Dhyan Chand Award for Lifetime Achievement in Sports and Games, is the lifetime achievement sporting honor of India. And the award is named after Dhyan Chand, an Indian field hockey player who scored more than 1000 goals during a career that spanned over 20 years. Which of the following is not a weight division in boxing? The correct answer is D, that is underweight. So the weight divisions are heavyweight, light heavyweight, then middleweight, then welterweight, then lightweight, then featherweight, then bantamweight, and the last one is flyweight. Usain Bolt is associated with which sport? The correct answer is D, that is athletics. So Usain Bolt is associated with athletics. A Golden Slam is winning dash Grand Slam tournaments as well as the Olympics gold medal. The correct answer is A, that is 4. So a Gold Slam is winning 4 Grand Slam tournaments as well as the Olympic gold medal. Which of the following trophy cup is associated with the game bridge? The correct answer is A, that is Holker Trophy. So Holker Trophy is associated with bridge sport, and the bridge is the ultimate tricky card game that 4 people can play with a pack of 52 cards. Bhavishya Singh is associated with which of the following sport? The correct answer is A, that is karate. So Bhavya Singh karate journey began when she took up the sport as a hobby at 6 age. Where is Roland Garros Grand Slam of tennis held? The correct answer is B, that is Paris. So the French Open is also known as Roland Garros and is a major tennis tournament held over 2 weeks at the Stade Roland Garros in Paris, France, beginning in late May each year. Divya Kakran is associated with which of the following sport? The correct answer is C, that is wrestling. So Divya Kakran is a freestyle wrestler from India, and Divya has won 60 medals including 17 golds medal in the Delhi State Championship and has won the Bharat Kesari title 8 times. So Pranati Nayak is associated with which of the following sport? The correct answer is B, that is gymnastics. So Pranati, who had won a bronze in Asian Artistic Gymnastics Championship in 2019, made the cut after the qualifying through the continental quota. And the 26-year-old from West Bengal is the second reserve behind Sri Lanka's Dona Milka Gay for the Asian quota. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.